Hello, my name is Carolina and I'm wearing my school scrubs, school badge, analog watch. This is Brad. Brad, do you understand and consent to be recorded on this video for educational purposes?
I understand and consent to be recorded for this video.
Thank you. So I'm going to gather my supplies, close the door for patient privacy, and I'm going to perform hand hygiene. Brad, I am going to be your student nurse today. Can I verify your name and date of birth?
My name is Brad Lakes. Date of birth is 1/10/1985.
Okay, so I verify that on the wristband. Brad, I am going to take your vitals today. The first thing that I'm going to do is take your pulse. I'm going to place my two middle fingers on your radial artery. Okay, the rate and rhythm are regular. Now I'm going to count for 30 seconds. Okay, so I counted 38 within the 30 seconds. If I multiply that by 2, that is 76. That is normal for your age group because the regular ranges are from 60 to 100 beats per minute. So that is regular and normal. Let me take your pulse one more time. But I'm gonna place my hand on your back. And I'm gonna count for 30 seconds. Okay, so I was actually counting your respirations. I counted 9 within the 30 seconds. If I multiply that by 2, that is 18. That is normal for your age group because the regular ranges are from 12 to 20 breaths per minute. So that is normal. Let me check now the depth of your respiration one more time. Just breathe normal. Okay, the depth of your respiration is normal, so that is good. The last thing, now I'm gonna take his blood pressure. I'm gonna find the brachial artery. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm going to place the cuff, making sure this is the right size. And with the arrow pointing over center on his brachia, making sure this is 1 inch above the inner elbow. I'm gonna put on my stethoscope. 1 minute, it's kind of stuck here. I want you to hold this up. Point it towards the camera. Okay. Just rest your arm. I'm gonna put on my stethoscope. 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna place the stethoscope on top of his brachial, making sure that the stethoscope is not touching the cuff or the tubing. Now I want to bring the camera closer because I want you guys to see the manometer. Okay. Okay. Brad, do you know what is your blood pressure?
110/70.
Okay, so I'm gonna add 30 to the systolic. That is gonna be 140. Okay, so Brad, your blood pressure is 109/69. That is close to the ranges that you reported me, and it's a little bit below the regular ranges, 120/80. I am going to document that. And Brad, do you have any questions for me?
No questions.
No? Okay. Thank you so much. I'm going to perform hand hygiene. I'm going to document. Bye.